And let's bring in Steve Dudash, because with just a few seconds left, let's make it 4 minutes. 4 minutes to go. Doesn't look like the S&P is going to make it, but let's spin it forward. What do you like for 2016 to give us a great start in the first quarter? Which stocks in the first 3 months of the year might do well?
Okay. First 3 months of the year, look at two main companies. You could look at Google. You could look at, well, all right, let's start with Google. Go with Google. You could get an extra pop out of them. They've been doing really well. The fact that they changed their name and they had one of the most established names out there, and yet they still are willing to change it because they want to diversify their company and get into a lot of different areas like automotive car or self-driving cars and things. You know, that's a big step for a company like that. So we really like them going into next year. Love BP going into next year. I know the energy's been beat up. There's no way oil's going down to $20 a barrel. Buy into it now. You're getting it super cheap. Let it grow, and maybe it doesn't just happen in the first quarter. It may take a few more months more than just the first quarter, but it's really good opportunity to get in at a very low price right now. From there, you can go into the Amazons. If you're willing to have the guts to buy into something that's that expensive right now. Now, I would not buy Amazon and hold it for the next 20 years. You're paying a premium right now, okay? Unlike BP, you could buy it and hold it for a long time. Amazon, you're paying a premium right now, but it's hard to argue with what they're doing. They're killing the market. They're the #1 player in there, and it's got, like you were just talking about, it's so easy to do things on your phone and your tablets. You know, it's safe now, relatively safe. It's very easy to make purchases on your phone. It's a great opportunity to buy into a company.
Well, right now, maybe it's an opportunity to buy into the Dow because it's cheap right now, down 159 points as we go into this final couple of minutes. We're down just under 1%, folks, and it doesn't look at this moment like the S&P 500 is going to make it into the green. You know, people actually, as recently as yesterday afternoon, thought they would, but we're at 2046. That's not going to get us to 2059. Not going to get us there. Steve, give us a final word on what you think is the real #1 trend for 2016.
#1 trend? Energy's coming back. Energy's down so bad. And by the way, one more real quick stock to throw out there I should have mentioned before. Buy Chipotle. We were telling people to sell it when it was above 500 at 560 a few weeks ago. We were telling people to get out of it. It's down. It's been beat up. Wait another week or two. Make sure that the E. coli thing really is gone. But you can buy into a great company that's really, really cheap right now. It's in the 80 range or whatever. So, but trends for next year: energy, technology, financials. Can go on and on about financials right now, but because those would be the big three.
Yeah, well, when the Fed is raising rates, financials tend to do well. All right, I like the Chipotle idea. Go in when the fear is greatest and the norovirus is the greatest. Good to see you, Steve.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Happy New Year.